Yeah, you know I got it for the cheese. Yeah, riding in a 2020 G. Yeah, that's 2020, you can't fuck with me.
Alright, y'all, what is going on, y'all? Hope everybody doing good today. In today's video, I got something just a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make easy thumbnails using Picsart. Now, I do have Picsart Pro, or the upgraded version of Picsart, but you definitely don't need it to create easy thumbnails, and I'm going to try and stay away from using the Pro features. But yeah, so let's get into this video and let's show you how to make very easy thumbnails. So first we're going to click this plus sign here in the middle. Okay. And you can either click all photos, or you can just use a blank screen. Like you could take a picture, use a blank screen. But in my case, what we are going to do is we're going to take this one. Well, let's transform this picture right here, and let's make it to a thumbnail. So first of all, we all know that in the YouTube algorithm, or not algorithm, sorry, but in the YouTube format, it needs to be 16 by 9. So click fit, click ratio, and 16 by 9. Bam, there you go. Now it's automatically sized, or cropped, I guess you could say, to the size that you would want for your YouTube thumbnail. If that's literally all you wanted to know, please press that like button and you can exit the video now. But if you'd like to see some features on how to make it look better, stay tuned, y'all, and please press that subscribe button. So yes, let's do that, and let's get the background. You see this white here? Let's add an image. We'll add the same image, and then we'll make it a little bit blurry. Or a lot blurry, actually. We'll do 80. There we go. Now you can add shadows if it was like that. I mean, it's a very dark picture, so it's kind of hard to see, but we'll add a shadow. And there we go. Sorry about that, guys. I accidentally clicked the ending of the record button. But once you got that done, then let's say you want to add some stickers. Now, stickers, there's a lot of stickers you can choose from. Anything with that crown emoji on the left or on the right lower side is for, I guess you could say, the premium or the pack that you got to pay for. Anything else is just free and you don't need to pay for it at all. All right. So let's do, yeah, I like this one. Let's do this here. Kind of give it a little tilt, resize it. And then let's say we want it to be a little bit see-through. Let's just lower it down to about 70. Yeah, 60. That'll be even better. 60 looks a little bit better. And we'll tilt it just a little bit more. And there you go. So you added a sticker. Now you can keep adding stickers and everything you want. We'll just add a little bit of text here. Okay, conversations in the trap, just like so. Oops, shoot. Alrighty. Alright, so then you got your little fonts here. We can all choose and pick a nice looking font. We'll pick this one. And we'll put it right up here. Stretch it out a little bit. Please do not text me while I'm making a video. That is the most annoying thing ever. There we go. That's even better. Alrighty. Now, let's add some color to it. Yeah. Put it down to about 10. Put some spacing in there. There we go. Now we can kind of spread them lines apart. Conversations in the trap. Just like that, y'all. You got a very simple and easy thumbnail. And let's just say you aren't satisfied with that yet. Just keep adding stickers until you are, man. Here's a nice one. Alright. Put it to about 69. And there you go, guys. So just like that, you click the save button, and then you'll click the download button. And press close. Or you could save it and share it as well. Alright, y'all. If you'd like to see any more tech videos, please press subscribe. Please press that like button and also press that subscribe button. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video.
On the east side, slapping all these phones. Big bang rolls, all my niggas on. Steady serving zones, Zans and Fat, yeah, we get that shit gone.